Yes. So good afternoon. We can start. We can brush up the last day's class. Okay. So heart is
Ma'am,
divided. Yes, Miss Yad.
on Saturday I was absent, so I could not.
Why you took leave? I understood some reason. Okay. If you are absent, what you have to do? Hmm? Okay. Anyhow, I am repeating. I am revising the last
No, ma'am,
class.
the test you have to.
Test it was a written test. So after completing this portion, I will take again a retest. Again a
Ma'am,
test.
I
Okay.
also was absent.
Okay. You learned it now. That is enough. So after completing this some more part, I will take again a test. So at that time you can attend. Okay.
Okay.
Audio. Oh, one theater sound like one from Visya's audio. Okay, children. Uh, it is about the heart, isn't it? Okay, so here you can see the four chambers, isn't it, children? Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so here you can see the four chambers clearly. See right side and left side. Whenever I am saying about right, it is the right part of mind. Okay, mind. Okay, teacher's right part and left part means teacher's left part. Don't think about your left and right. You may get confused. Okay, it is my request. So here you can see it is the vertical section of the heart, isn't it? Vertical, when we are cutting the apples from top portion to down. How it is? In the same way, it is a vertical cross section. So here you can see four chambers clearly, isn't it? Four chambers,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
see it in
Yes, ma'am.
brown
Yes,
color?
ma'am.
Okay, that is the let me see, check it, children, whether I can. Okay, annotation is not working, I think. Okay, let it be. So here, first top chambers are called. What is the name of the top chambers?
Atrium. Atrium.
Atrium.
Atria. Okay, singular is atrium. The top chambers are called atrium.
Atria.
Atria. Singular, it is atrium. Hmm.
Atrium.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me check it whether I can. Okay, anyhow, let it be. So, at the bottom, after that atrium, bottom two chambers are called. What is the name of that bottom two chambers?
Ventricles.
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 Okay, so top two atria and bottom it is called ventricles. Okay, this much it is clear, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, we can move to the next. Okay. Okay, so here can you see this one, children? Two tubes are coming into the left atrium. Can you see these tubes? Red color tubes. Okay,
Yes.
what is the name of that tubes? That
Pulmonary vein.
pulmonary vein. Isn't it? Pulmonary vein. So here let me ask you one question. I will ask those students only to answer it. Amna, this pulmonary vein, this is a blood vessel, isn't it? So from where it starts, this pulmonary vein, it starts from or it is connecting. It connecting
Lungs.
lungs to left ventricle. Sorry, left atria.
Atrium. Top side of left
Yeah,
atrium.
top side of the left atrium. Okay. And one more question. Prajida,
Ma'am, some voice.
mute your audio. Everyone, Abhinand Krishna, mute it. Okay. Prajida, which form of blood did this Okay, let me bring to that slide. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so here is the picture. Can you see it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So here it is.
Can you move
left,
that down?
huh?
So it's okay. Now it's
Okay, mute your audio. Left atrium, then left ventricle, LALV. Huh? So here it is. What I will ask, Sri Ram, what you are doing there, Sri Ram?
I'm looking at the textbook.
No need to look. You can, after the class, you can look. Whatever it is there, I am teaching here. Okay. Sri Ram, can you tell me? I am drawing a star mark. Okay. So can you see that? Can you see? I am marking two tubes here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the name of that tubes?
Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary vein. Okay, pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. Okay, so sometimes if you are checking, you can pronounce PUL. So sometimes it is a name, no? Sometimes that like that also may be pronouncing, but it is commonly pulmonary vein. Okay, Sri Ram.
Okay, ma'am.
So pulmonary vein. So from the pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood will reach in the left atrium, then through the left ventricle. So from the left ventricle, here I am drawing it in red color. That is the valve which you saw in white color, closing, opening and all. Have you seen? So through that valve, the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle will pass to this main artery. Can you see this main artery with this is all branches? Okay, this main artery, when it reaches here, it will turns into different branches, and this blood vessel is called aorta. Okay, AORTA, aorta. What is the name of this main artery? What is the name of main? See here, one more question you can expect. What is the name of the main artery?
Aorta.
Which is the blood vessel? Which is the blood vessel that is connected to left ventricle? Left
Someone is
ventricle.
asking you a question.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. My question is, what is the name of the blood vessel that is connected to left ventricle? Aorta. So, aorta, Tanmay,
Yes, ma'am.
aorta carries which form of blood?
Oxygenated.
Okay.
Deoxygenated.
Huh?
Oxygenated, sorry.
Which one?
Oxygenated blood.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Double sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is why I am explaining only about the left part. I am not making you confused with the right part. So left part of the heart, that all contain oxygenated blood. Okay. Oxygenated blood. So the aorta. Aorta is the main artery that carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to different parts of the body. This much is clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So somebody asked some doubt or something in between? Who is that?
Tanmaya.
Tanmay.
Tanmay. Okay, that is why he get confused. Yes, Tanmay, what it is?
Ma'am, inside the aorta, there is like one white color thing. Is it the valve?
Let me see. Where?
Ma'am, the picture.
In
Inside
this
aorta,
picture,
there is.
that is the valve. That is the valve. Okay. So I will share the other 3D one. So there you can see it. Okay.
Thank you.
See, can you see here? If I am showing, I don't know whether it is three slits on the white color. Isn't
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
children? Yeah, 3 slits. That is the valve. Okay. So that through that valve, oxygenated blood can enter into the aorta. main artery, and after that it is branched to different parts of our body, and that these all are arteries. Okay, artery means away from heart, there all it is the same. Main artery is aorta. Main arteries have a particular name, that is aorta. Okay, so can I move to the next topic? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Before that, let me ask you one question. The left part of the heart, it is connected to two blood vessels. Okay, two types of blood vessels, not the two, you may count it how many. Two types of blood vessels. What are the names of the blood vessels that are connected to left part?
Artery.
Don't say the answer. I am checking. Abhinav Bijoy, tell me.
Pulmonary vein and aorta.
Very good, excellent answer. Okay, somebody told something. Okay, so those you understood, isn't it? Pulmonary vein and aorta. Left side, only two names you have to remember: pulmonary vein and aorta. Pulmonary vein is what is its function? Amna,
Brings ox
Amna, pulmonary vein. What is its function?
Brings oxygenated blood from the lungs.
Okay, very good. What about aorta? Johan, what about aorta? What about aorta? What is its function?
Oxygenated blood.
Ah,
Oxygenated blood.
from oxygenated blood from Pranav, oxygenated blood from
The left
Ventricle.
to left ventricle to
other part.
Artery.
different parts of the. See, somebody is always telling artery. Who is that one? Sriram. Okay, so aorta transports oxygenated blood from left ventricle to different parts of the body. I am going to stop about left part of the heart. Okay, so shall I move to the next one? Okay,
Yes.
so here we can see the right. We are going to explain about the right part of the heart. There also you can see atrium and ventricle, isn't it? So the atrium, which we can see it on the right side, we can call it as right atrium. Ventricle, which we can see it on the right side, my right. Okay, it is the from my side, it is the right.
Can
That
you show
is
the
called.
slide which you explained about aorta?
Okay. You want to show me that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you did not write. I think the same thing I gave it in the notes also. Okay, so here the left ventricle is connected to the main artery called aorta. This aorta is here. Okay, let me rub these all things. Only I will mark the aorta. So this is the point where it is connected, and this is
So
the.
you told function of aorta, right? Can you say it one more time?
Yes, sure. So aorta, what is its function? It is not like function, what it is doing there. Okay, so it is transporting oxygenated blood from where? From where?
Left ventricle.
Left
From
ventricle. Yeah, left ventricle to
All
to
parts of the body.
different parts
of
of the body. Okay, different parts of the body. Different parts of the body. Different parts of the body. So taking oxygenated blood away from heart. Okay, understood?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
shall I move to the next one? Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So let me share the 3D. After that, I will explain with the slide. Okay. So here, right to part. We are going to explain about right to part. Can you see it here? Yes. Here you can see, I just change the view. Okay. Here you can see one blue color pipe-like structure. Can you see that? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, small right.
Yeah, see here you see, just right side, blue color part. Can you see it here, children?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
this blue color is connected to the heart in the top and the top, from the top portion and from the lower portions. Okay, top portion and also from the lower portion. Can you see this here? Hmm? So the blue portion, you can see it from the top, and also here also, down also you can see. These are in blue color. That means these are in blue color. Say here you can see one blood vessel. Here also you can see. Can you see it, children?
Ma'am, you didn't share it.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
we
you
can
shared.
see that 3D.
3D. She's
That is
telling about the
Oh,
slide.
okay, okay, okay.
okay. So here you can see blue colored. There you saw blue colored blood vessel, isn't it? See, yeah, these blue colored blood vessels are connected to the this top side of the right atrium. Okay, this is the right atrium, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this blue colored one is connected to right atrium. This blood vessel is called vena cava.
Vena cava.
Okay, vena cava. So
Yeah.
some particular names, vena cava. Vena cava, which brings deoxygenated blood into the right atrium from all the body organs. So what is the name of this vein? Vein. It is the vein, isn't it? Veins are carrying
Yes.
deoxygenated blood, carbon dioxide rich blood. So the vein which brings blood from all parts of the body to heart, and in particularly right atrium. That is called vena cava. What is that? Vena
Vena
cava.
cava.
Vena cava.
See,
Cava.
the here two types of vena cava there, but this year you no need to learn in detail. The blood, the deoxygenated blood, which it is flowing from top part above the chest, top part, that is carried by superior vena cava, and the deoxygenated blood, which it is carried from
Below the chest.
below the chest, from the legs, that all parts, that is called inferior vena cava. Okay, so two types of veins are there, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Vena cava means the veins. Vena cava means the veins. Okay, that carry deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body to heart. And to which part it is connected to the heart?
Left atrium.
Left atrium.
Atrium.
Sorry, right atrium. Right
Ma'am, right
atrium. Don't
atrium.
confuse.
Right atrium.
Don't confuse, children. Don't confuse it. Right atrium. So vena cava. This is vena cava. This is also vena cava. Okay. Vena cava. This is called inferior vena cava. This is called top. We can call superior vena cava. Understood? Let us okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just remember vena cava. These are the
Ma'am,
main.
it is inferior.
Sorry, children.
Ma'am, at down it is inferior.
Inferior. Okay, inferior vena cava, and this is superior vena cava. But commonly we can say what? Vena cava. Okay. This year no need to differentiate inferior and superior. Okay, when you are joining for any medicals, you can medical profession. You can, I think you have to learn about different particular arteries, names of the arteries and veins. Okay, so vena cava. Top side of the right atrium is connected to main vein called vena cava, which brings deoxygenated blood into it from all the body organs. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall I move
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
next point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so right atrium and right ventricle. You can see it here, right atrium and right ventricle, isn't it? There also one valve is there that connects a right atrium and right ventricle. So deoxygenated blood through the vena cava, when it get it into the right atrium, that will pass it into, that will flow it into right ventricle also, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, right ventricle also. There you can see in the toe, at the top of the right ventricle, can you see a valve, one opening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
The right ventricle is connected to this
Pulmonary
blood
artery.
vessel. This blood vessel, okay? This blood vessel. The name of this blood vessel is
Pulmonary
pulmonary artery.
Artery.
Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary vein you learned, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Pulmonary vein
Yes.
you learn, that is bringing blood into heart. Here we want to learn pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary artery is connected at the right ventricle, which carries deoxygenated blood for taking into lungs. Okay, so pulmonary vein, when it carries, Amal, are you listening? Pulmonary arteries, isn't it pulmonary artery?
No.
Yes.
Okay, pulmonary artery, when take this deoxygenated blood from right ventricle, it will take it to lungs. From the lungs, the capillaries will be there. From that, the carbon dioxide will pass into lungs, and from the lungs, it may be exhaled out of our body. Clear?
Ma'am, I have a
Yes,
doubt.
ma'am.
Is it confusing?
Ma'am,
Okay, Anand, yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
down of the heart there are two veins, right? Not like two tubes, right? Red
Which,
and blue color tube.
where? Tell me
Down
clearly.
of the heart. Ma'am, can you share that screen?
Ma'am, in the bottom there is with the inferior vena cava there is
that
one.
is the part of this one, aorta. Artery. This is a artery. Different arteries have to move to different parts, isn't it?
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. I
So,
asked what will be the name of that artery.
that artery's particular name I don't know. Okay, sorry children. So that is why I told we have to learn only about the main veins and main arteries. After that, these main arteries and veins, further it will branch out into another arteries and veins, which have to go to each part of our body. So that arteries and veins also have some names. Okay, so I think that all you can learn in deep when you choose medical as a profession. Okay, shall I complete this one? Is it okay, Anand? Is it okay? Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is it okay now? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today you learned about aorta. Okay, aorta is connected to left part of the heart. Then you learned about vena cava. Vena cava is a vein that is connected to right part of the heart. Then pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery, we can see it in which side of the heart?
Right.
Right side. Okay. Is it confusing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let me ask to Abhinand Krishna. Abhinand Krishna, tell me the names of the blood vessels that are connected to right part of the heart. Right part. Yes. I think you faced some network issues today, isn't it? I saw you coming and going in between. Krishna Kripa, can I expect the answer from you?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, sure. So, what are the names of the blood vessels? What are the names of the blood vessels that are connected to the right part of the heart? Right part of our heart.
Vena cava,
Very good, Vinakava. Then pulmonary.
artery.
Very good, excellent answer. Okay, so from this side view, right side view, can you see the vena cava, children?
Yes,
Yes,
Cava,
ma'am.
that is connecting to the veins. That is connecting to the veins that is coming from the top part of our body, and the vena cava, which it is connecting to the veins, which it is from the lower part of our body. Clear? Have you seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, this is also some other, let me, one minute. Please wait, okay. So, right part contains which form of blood, children? Right part.
Deoxygenated.
Okay. Left part contains?
Oxygenated.
Okay. So, 1 minute. Let me, after completing this, I will finish. Okay. So, heart. 4 chambers. This is which one? This part.
Left atrium.
Left atrium.
Then this one.
Left ventricle.
Okay. Here.
Right atrium.
Here.
Right ventricle.
That's much understood. No. Okay. I will ask you one by one. Okay. So I can understand. Uma, you can see one blood vessel here connecting to left atrium. Isn't it? Uma? Not hearing. Ahmad Afin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see this blood vessel which I draw it here, which is connecting to left atrium, top part of left atrium?
Pulmonary vein.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Pulmonary vein. Okay. So here these two are connected. From there, here it comes from the top of the left ventricle. It originates one blood vessel. What is the, I will ask to Ishal, what is the name of this blood vessel which is starting from left ventricle?
Aorta.
Okay, that much over, isn't it? So next question, Sriram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, left part of the heart contains which form of blood?
Oxygenated blood.
Very good. Oxygenated blood. Okay, so it is like a summary, isn't it? Next one. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
to the top of the right atrium. Right atrium. Yeah, blood vessels are connected to it. What is the name of that blood vessel? Which it is? What it is?
Vena cava.
Vena cava. Okay, vena cava. What it is carrying? Let me ask. Don't answer it. Yes, Parthiv. Which form of blood this vena cava carries to heart?
Deoxygenated blood.
Very good. Deoxygenated blood. Okay. From the vena cava, deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood passes to right atrium. Then it will go to right ventricle. Then right ventricle is connected to another blood vessel. Right ventricle is connected to another blood vessel. Malavika, what is the name of the blood vessel? Starts from right ventricle to lungs.
Pulmonary artery.
Very good. Excellent answer. Okay. Pulmonary artery. Okay. Right part. Uma, once again, let me check you. Uma. Yes, I called before also. I called you for getting one answer. Okay, now. Okay. Uma, tell me, right part of the heart contain which form of blood? Right part contains which form of blood? I think audio is not working. Amal, right part of the heart contains which form of blood?
Deoxygenated blood.
Deoxy. Very good. Excellent answer. Okay. So this is the summary. Likewise, children. Uma, I think your network is low. Okay, not stable. So likewise, you can draw a roughly you can draw it and you can summarize like this. Okay, it will be very helpful for learning about the working of this circulatory system. Okay, so is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.